Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to schedule Instagram posts for free. So let's head over to the Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your post section. And in here, post anything you want. Suppose I'm gonna go to the draft section as there is no draft. So let's click or take a picture to post. Suppose I will post, let me just choose a picture. So let's say this one. So, and tap on next. So here you will find the option of more option in here. So as you can see, there is an option of schedule this reel. So if this is a reel option that is set, you can just set it or schedule it up in here and in your desired time. And once you tap on done, it will be just posted to your desired time. So tap on done, and yeah, it will be posted at that time. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.